What is Porphyry in astrology? If you're curious about the different ways astrologers divide the sky to understand our lives better, you're in the right place. Let's explore one of the oldest and most interesting house systems in astrology, the Porphyry house system. The Porphyry house system is named after Porphyry, a 3rd-century philosopher who, although not the creator of this system, is closely associated with it. This method of dividing the astrological chart is one of the quadrant house systems, which means it uses the 4 main angles of the chart: the ascendant, the descendant, the midheaven, and the nadir. Here's how it works. The space between the ascendant and the midheaven, and the space between the midheaven and the descendant, are each divided into 3 equal parts. This results in 12 houses, but unlike some other systems, the houses in each quadrant are of equal size, even though the overall size of the houses can vary. This system offers a nice balance between simplicity and complexity. It's easier to understand than some of the more complex time-based systems like Placidus, but it still provides rich interpretive potential. For example, in the Porphyry system, the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd houses will be equal in size, but they might be different from the 4th, 5th, and 6th houses. One of the strengths of the Porphyry system is its practicality, especially in traditional astrology. It emphasizes the balance of planetary influences within the chart and is favored by astrologers who seek a middle ground between simpler and more complex divisions. An important aspect to note is that the Porphyry system can be used effectively at any latitude, including polar regions, where other systems like Placidus or Koch might produce significant distortions in house sizes. This makes it a versatile choice for astrologers working with charts from various locations. In practice, using the Porphyry system can provide clear and practical interpretations of a person's chart. For instance, if you have a planet in the 2nd house in the Porphyry system, it might influence your material possessions and sense of security differently than if it were in the 2nd house in another system. Ultimately, the choice of house system depends on personal preference and the specific needs of the chart. Many astrologers use multiple systems to get a more comprehensive view, and the Porphyry system is often one of the preferred choices due to its balance and practicality. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced astrologer, understanding the Porphyry house system can add another valuable tool to your astrological toolkit.